Hey, it's Amy. We're back in my kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to make a great, tasty, fat-free dressing. You don't have to buy dressings, at the market. You can make your own, and it's actually way less expensive and takes no time at all. The ingredients are shallots, which are kind of a cross between onion and garlic, some mustard, Dijon mustard, a balsamic vinegar, and some Italian seasoning. And then also some sugar substitute, and that's it. So if you want to make about 4 servings, you need about 1/2 to 3/4 of 1 shallot. Well, you add that to your bottle, whatever you're going to make your salad dressing in. Then we're going to add our balsamic dressing, probably about 1/4 cup, and then some Dijon mustard, and then a little bit of Italian seasonings gives it that kind of Italian-y flavor. And then just some water, and probably about as much water as you put in of the balsamic. And the key really is, like anything you're cooking, is to taste it along the way, and just keep tasting it till you get to the right balance of mustard, vinegar, and water and sweetener. And you shake it up and pour it over the salad that we don't have in front of us. I probably should have made a salad.